Alright, so this lock here was on my parents' garage door. It's just a little sliding garage door. And I just grabbed it, took it. It's a little practice lock. They don't use it anyways, so just wanted to show you how laughably easy these locks can be that are provided with these doors. It's got a little Schleg SC1 keyway, looks like, and yeah, this was as easy as it looks to pick. Just a little. Actually, I would have used my other tensioner if I had it with me. I'll just use this guy. I'm binding up my fucking... Oh, I can't get a fucking grip on it. Alright, here we go. One click. Boom. It's a little, pretty much a zip, and it opens. But yeah, this guy was on, you know, I wish I could remember the brand garage door, but it's pretty laughable, what they provide for security on those. You think you're buying something with a lock, but it could be opened just like that.